Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the restoration of mindset. You know, sometimes life can be overwhelming, and it's easy to get caught up in the daily grind. But remember, you have the power to change your perspective and restore your mindset. It's all about taking a step back, focusing on the positive, and appreciating the little things in life. Whether it's spending time with loved ones, enjoying a good book, or simply taking a walk in nature, these small moments can make a big difference. So, let's all make an effort to restore our mindsets and focus on the positive. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Until next time, take care and stay positive.